Ngiyanibingelela nonke abazokwazi ukuthi babuke le video le. Namhlanje sizokwenza mathematics topic trigonometry. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you found it useful. Then let's get to the question. It's given it's question 5 from Mpumalanga province, June 2024. It appears on paper 2, as you can see, so you can go and download the question paper. Then for 5, it's given cos 11 is equals to k. Then determine the following in terms of k without using calculator. Kusho ukuthi ama-answer wethu kumele abe in terms of k. There must be k kuwona ama-answer ethu. Yeah, then they say without using calculator. So isebenzisa thina calculator. Bona bathi ungayisebenzisa calculator ngokuthi akufuneki inumber zakho ama-answer akho abe in decimal form. Shuthi uma uthole u2/3 kumele uyeke as u2/3 as answer yakho, ungawu-simplify ukuthi ube in decimal. That's why bethi don't use a calculator. Kodwa anyway ungayisebenzisa calculator. Ngisidwebile ke le structure bese ngenzela ukuthi video ibe visual ingabindi kakhulu. So ukuthi ngesukubhora. Then from this statement cos 11 uzodweba ilo Cartesian plane. Then 11 degrees is how much? From here it's 0 degrees, you go up maybe it's 5 degrees until maybe you can approximate that 11 degrees is here. Then from here it may be 70. Then here is a 90 degrees, 11 degrees. Then you draw a line to indicate that. Then you can construct a vertical line which is perpendicular to the x-axis. This is the x-axis of our Cartesian plane. Then you can fill up the values. As you know, cos theta is the adjacent side all over the hypotenuse side, or it's a ratio of adjacent over and hypotenuse. Then which means our adjacent is this is adjacent. This is a triangle, as you can see. The triangle there, adjacent side is this one. Then the hypotenuse side is this, the longest side. The opposite is this, which is always opposite to this given angle. Yeah, then this is adjacent, as you can see on the numerator. As case our adjacent is k. Our k we will put it here. Then our r, and this number is over 1, k is over 1. Then hypotenuse, this is hypotenuse is over 1. Then this is hypotenuse, the longest side. To find this side, you always do this like this. When you are starting this question, you draw this diagram. You can say 5.1.1, draw this diagram before you going there answering this question. Then what you can do to find the lily side, the opposite side, where you can use a theorem of Pythagoras. Then which says the longest side equals to the longest side all squared is equal to the sum of the two sides. Then you square those two sides, which appear kanjena. Then longest side is our r. This is the r. You can say it's r like this. R squared is equal to, this is the adjacent, which is x squared, as it is along the x-axis. This is along the y-axis, which is plus y squared. This is the theorem of Pythagoras. Then you can substitute the values. Our r is 1 all squared is equal to our x is k. Then you put this squared plus y squared. If you can transpose this to the other side, it's become, then our y equals to you can see that if you can transpose this k and the square and put a square root to get rid of this square of these two, it will be 1 squared is same as 1 minus k squared. Then you put the square root. Then when you put the square root, it depends. Your answer may be a plus or a minus. It can be a plus or a minus if the given number, the number that is here, is even, or I can say it is even. You can see, or for a square root, let me say for a square root or for a root that is even, for an even root. This is a square root and it is even. You can see it's like there's a 2 here. If there's an even number here, there's an even number on this part, your answer will always give you positive. It will never say plus or minus, but you can then for us it is obvious vele ukuthi u-r wakho is just a length, will always be positive, or will always be a positive. You always do like this, which means you take this positive 1 minus k squared. We take this answer as positive. Then let's go to 5.1.1. They say determine sine 11. Okay, ukugcina sine 11. You go to this diagram. This you khona la izoba sine 11 ume la kule part le. Then for sine, what is sine? Sine equal to opposite over adjacent, which means sine 11 equal to, what is our opposite? Opposite is this side, which is this side is y, this side is y. It's 1 minus k squared, 1 minus k squared, like this, over the hypotenuse side. Hypotenuse side is what is 1. This is the final answer. We can leave it like this, 1 minus k squared. Ngathemba ukuthi wonke umuntu sasekhona. Then masiya ku 5.1.2, determine sine 22. As you can see, angithi this is to ukuze ukwazi ukusolve kahle lama question into ozoyenza. This is 22 degrees. Always into interested kuyona wena njalo uma usolve lama question is the angle. Le angle bakunikeze yona ukuthi inabo ubudlelwane nale onayo la. Okay, singakayi lapho ke. Let's find that angle, which means you can use sum of angles of a triangle add up to 180. Should see uzobani, it will be 180 minus 90 minus 11. Then uzothola answer yakho ke seyu 79 degrees. 79 degrees. Then masunala ma angles soqedile. Then what is iyiphi ubudlelwano phakathi kwa 22 degrees and 11 degrees and 79 degrees? Ungabona, uzobona ngithi 22 uyi-double ka 11. Shothi kufana nokuthi last no 11 about 2 aba plus yo. Shothi kufana nokuthi 11 plus 11. Shothi yini esebenzayo lana? It's a double angle. Shothi ungayimisa kanje. Uthi sine what kubo 2 multiply by supply ma double angle. 2 times what? Times 11 degrees. Sangithi lokhu kuyafana nalokho. Then mase ula uyabona ukuthi this is the double angle of sine. Double angle of sine is ithini? Let me make an example. Sine theta, it's like this on the formula sheet. It's always there. Sine 2 theta, sine 2 theta equal to 2. Mase ithi sine theta cos theta. This is the rule we are going to apply here because this is a double. You see it by this 2 ukuthi lo i double. Then uzobe seyithini? It is 2, it is sine yiphi angle siyifaka la, ubuyele la kule example. Angle siyifakayo yiphi? The angle that is in front of 2. Which angle is in front of 2 is 11 degrees. Then cos 11 degrees. Why ingenze kanje ya no 11? Ufuna uyihlezi ukuthi uma uyenza uyisolve lento, le angle le usukuna uyikhandile, kumele kube yi-angle khona la, khona uzokwazi ukuthi ubuyele lapha na usebenzise yona le angle ukuze ibe answer yakho be in terms of that given variable. Then you can substitute here 2, then choose a substitute sine 11. Sine 11 is this sine 11. You see, we did it siyenzile la. Then it will be multiplied by square root of 1 minus k squared. Multiply by, then let's see cos 11. Cos 11 degrees. Then we are kule angle ngithi ubakunikeze yona uma la eduze kwale angle. Uma bebekunika u79 la bozoma la. then mase wenza ngendlela efanele cos 11 degrees uma la then uyayibuza ukuthi cos uthini konje equals to ba adjacent side of a hypotenuse side. If mawumelana ke the adjacent side is ile side leli, then the hypotenuse is this one, okusho ukuthi kuzobani k over 1, but ungamyaka kanjalo ku1 ungamfaki as k divided by 1 same as k. This is our final answer. You can noma ungayenza kanje 2k 1 minus k squared. I-answer yethu le ungayishiya kanje uma uthanda. Then kuseyinto efanayo, there is still a multiplication, la. Then 5, let's go to 5.1.3. Determine the following in terms of k. You see it is in terms of k. Asinendaba kakhulu nenamba, inamba banendaba vele nazo 2 laba noma 2 k plus 2 makukhona k shothi kahle variable bakutshela ukuthi i-variable akube k kuphela. Yeah, a known variable must be k. These are known variables. 2 is a known variable. Then 5.1.3 cos 19. Noma ngabe ku-5 marks into oyibhekayo ona yini ile angle le ukuthi ilinka kanjani kunalawo, ngabe i-double noma i-difference yalama angle. Yabo uyi-check kanjalo. Then mawuchecka u19 ubani half ka19 is not a whole number ekhona la. Shothi uzochecka kanjani? Ungachecka ngama special angle. Mawuchecka ama special angle kuba ngokuthi special angle angithi sin 30. Let's make an example. Sin 30 degrees cos 50 60 degrees. Lezi number lezi cos 60 cos 45 inamba lezi singakhipha ngesema decimal. Shothi kuyavumelana nalabo without use of a calculator. Shothi lezi lama angle lawo ma special angles singawasebenzisa ukusolva la ngoba siyazi ukuthi ngeke sinikeze inamba a decimal straight to the point. That's why sisebenzisa wona ukuthi usebenzisa mhlawumbe sisebenzisa special angle ukuthi usiminus nenamba ela or usi-add nenamba la, or yeah kumele kube kanjalo ukuthi ilinke nenamba la khona uzokwazi ukuthi udonse lo k lo uthathe, then khona i-answer yakhe izoba accurate njengoba eshilo. So kwenza njani ke? Ake sizame leyo kusubtract this number minus this number. Mayisinikeza le number le kusho ukuthi yeah singasebenza ngayo, kodwa ke you can 79 minus 11 so la 68. Then asebenzisa ama special angle. So sisebenzisa bani? Ake sithi 90 minus 79 is equal to 11. 60 plus 11 it's 71. Then shothi singenza kanjani? Then 45 minus 30 minus 79 minus 45. Yabo ngiyayizama zonke lezi number. Then minus 30, then ayivumi futhi, okay. Then 11, let's say 11 plus 30. Yabo ufuna uyizame kanje nawe. Then ayiphumi futhi kanje. Shothi 45 minus 11 is 34. Then 30 minus 11. Yabo 30 minus 11 is 19. Yabo mele uyenze kanje nawe izoyithola. Shothi yabo as you can see na calculate. Then lana kuzoba cos, which is 30 minus 30 degrees. We are dealing with angles. Minus 11 degrees. Kuyafana koyi2 lokho akuthi. Iyona nje lesisebenzisayo. So ulandile u11 esifuna ukuthi uzokwazi ukuthi sidonsele lo k ube khona kwe-answer yethu. U30 simlandile vele siyamazi ukuthi yonke ratio ekhona mayine angle u30 isikhiphela just a number which is not decimal straight to the point. Then sesiwenza njani? This is the compound angle. There is a subtraction here. Compound angle of course. Let's go with formula sheet izokuvezela kanje. Izothi cos theta cos you can say it will be maybe theta minus alpha. It can be like this, but the angle it can differ. You can see it is cos theta minus sin theta, then cos theta cos alpha, then because minus izoshintsha ibe plus, mase it's plus sin theta sin alpha. You see, yabo iyashintsha makanje. Eka sin yenza njani yona i-compound angle ka sin theta minus alpha ithini? Ithi sin cos sin. It is sin cos sin. For sin ku-sin i-sin akayishintshi le, as you can relate, akayishintshi sin. Then hlezi kuyile sin oyifice la. It is sin cos sin. See, sin cos, see, or ingaba u-cos ibo sin kanje. Then ama-angle aya-alterisha ke la. It will be theta alpha, as you can see. Then sesibuya lana ke izothi-ke uma simplify in terms of i-formula sheet engimuva yakho, a compound angle of cos izoba u-cos 30 degrees, then sin cos 30 the first angle, sin of the second angle sin 11 degrees. You can see. Then what about cos? Uyadeviate yena uthini? Uthi sin ngiyayishintsha ngoba angithi ayirhyme no-ratio yakhe. Then yabo uyayishintsha yena i-sin, then shuthi izoba ubani? Izoba plus, just become opposite because ayihambisana nayo igama lithi sin alirhyme no cos. Then then sin cos sin, then mase ithi sin cos or cos sin. You see, ingakho ukuthi kuba noma kuthi uqale ngo-sin uqala ngo-cos, but kuyafana, still the same cos multiplication. Then sin then so uzoyithini lana? Cos the first angle, which is the degrees. Sorry, it will be like this. So about sin 30 degrees cos 11 degrees. Funa ilandele ngeformula sheet ngemuva iba kanje. Noma masuyibona ukuthi wrong, akumele ukuthi lo cos 30 nala futhi kumele kube cos 30, kumele iswap bashintshane ngale angle, yabo. Kodwa uma uyi-check ngemuva formula sheet kuzoba lula, uzoyibona. Then kuzoba seyithini answer yethu? Cos 30. Then you can punch it on the calculator noma remember ngokama graphs. Cos 30 is same as root 3 over 2. Yabo, simplify. It doesn't give a decimal straight to the point. Then sin 11. This is 11 degrees. Straight to 11. Multi sine is the opposite of hypotenuse. Our opposite side is this one, which is y. Shooting is about root 1 minus k squared. Over 1. This is our hypotenuse side. You see? Then we're still on this part. Then plus sin 30. More punch of sin 30. I think they are the same with cos 30. Or it's 1 over 2. Then multiply by cos 11. We are straight to 11 degrees. Then mighty cos 80. Cos mawubona cos should uzo apply ukuthi ithini ratio cos ithi adjacent over hypotenuse or x over r. Adjacent is k over which number? Over 1. Yabo. Then you can put a 1. Yeah, it's like this. Then remember lana we simplify. This is same as you can see our LCD is 2. Kusho ukuthi ungayibeka kanje kube 2. Then makune LCD ifana kanje uya add lama numerator uya add nale ngapha then uzoba simple. Then fana ukuthi la sino root 3 times root 1 minus k squared plus the numerator of the other side. The numerator is k times 1, which is k. Then ingaba kanje answer yakho. Then size lana ku 5.144 last question. Then cos 55.5 degrees. Lena ke ngakumakaza ngithi ungagcina soyiyeka then but yeah it's doable. 5.5 degrees. You check ukuthi 5.5 degrees, what's the relationship between 5.5 degrees and these angles and the special angles? Then 5.5 uyini no 79 makayena uhalf akayona double ka 79 degrees. Then for 11 kodwa uzobona ke mawuthi 11 divided by 2 yabo thola 5.5 kusho lokho ukuthi ke there is some relationship. This is we half ka cos, then 11 degrees we half ka 5.5 degrees. Shuthi ke wena ke kumele wenze kanjani ke lo 5.5 kumele umsuze la umrepresente in terms of this number 11 degrees. Uzokwenza kanjani ke ngoba unike ucos nawe ke yenza ngo cos then kunamaloku njani ke these things which says, let me remind you on the side about cos theta double angle, because angithi uyabona ukuthi it's like a double angle, there is a half, there is a whole, there is a half. Kusho ukuthi ke ngoba sikhulunywa ngocos asiye kwakho cos always wenza njalo. Uzobona ke kuzoba ucos 2 theta ngisakhumbuza la 2 theta is equal to 2 cos squared theta minus 1. Then sayikhumbula le nalena ethi sin squared theta minus cos squared theta, then it's become like this. Then akanje then sizokhetha wena ke oyidingayo ukuthi yipho uzoyithatha ke uzosebenzisa lamalola be double angle ka cos ngoba la yabona lento ilinka ne double angle ka 11. Then wena esikhandleni saka 2 theta uzosebenzisa 11 degrees. Then for theta it's just a half of this now. Yeah, it should be 2 then 11, then like 11 degrees lana ngithi fana ukuthi bafake half because it's just 2 theta lana is like a 1 theta yabo. So thatha lena ke so zalathi nasothi you can say like mangi uyenza ukuthi since, but akubalekanga lokho, just like ngenzela ukuthi ibe simple so as we follow since cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos squared sorry it is 2 cos squared theta minus 1. Then kuzoba njani ke angithi ingani sithatha lokho siqale la ingani sizothatha lo simiyekele lona simiyekele ingobani lona sefaka ubani angithi thina sifuna into ene cos mase ifaka usin sekuzoba nzima ngoba ngithi angle ezongena la 5.5 degrees. Lo 5.5 degrees sizoba yi-unknown la abuyabe yi-unknown la, kodwa wasisa la straight to the point so wazi ukuthi senze njani lana sifaka 5 degrees then senza lo as the substitutive formula lana ngeke sawarisha vele sofaka leyo angle a double ucos 11 degrees. Then sesizothini ke angisibaza ukuthi cos 11 degrees you can see 11 degrees equals to, then sesiyenza ngalendlela ngithi uyabona this cos 11 degrees is just okay is equal to cos 11 degrees is equal to cos ngenze ukuthi ingalahleki cos 2 multiplied by 5.5 degrees yabo kuyafana lokho. Sesizothini sesizothi is equal to okay this is our cos 5.5 degrees, then sothini shuthi it is the same as cos 11 degrees is equal to Yeah, it will be 2 cos lokhu kuyafana koyi-2, then uzobe sothi 2 cos i-angle oyifaka la angithi this is 2 times 55 yabo, then it's 2 times theta, lokhu kulingana nalokhu, then it's 2 cos squared, this is our angle, minus 1. Yiphi angle emele siyifaka ngithi yabo ithi cos 2 then 2. I-angle eyifakayo is this number which is half of 2 theta, it is theta, so faka ubani 5,5, which is half of 11, so faka 5,5 degrees. Vele sifuna yena 5,5, then mase kunje sekusimple, so uyalana ke ukuze ungabi nama unknown lena le unknown le, ungabi nale unknown nale oyifunayo, substitute lo cos 11 umthathe la, always umthatha la leyo angle sokuyithathile shothi cos 11, so mala cos 11 there's no question abayifuna cos 11 na cos 11 which is equal to k cos adjacent over hypotenuse which is k equals to then 2 cos squared 5.5 degrees minus 1, then yabo simple, this is k sesimlandela k, yeah, then so uzokwenza this number is substitute of the formula, izobe sekuba cos squared 5.5 degrees is equal to transpose this number 1 then divide by 2, it will be k plus 1 then divide by this 2 which was left here. Then you can do what you can do, you can square both sides to get rid of this squared, square both sides, then square both sides. Our answer is cos 5.5 degrees equals to the square root of this number. It's like this, k plus 1 over 2, square root is like this, or you can further simplify it, equals to